Hear a pin drop. Understanding idiomatic English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, hear a pin drop. This phrase is not only interesting but also paints a vivid picture in our minds. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, hear a pin drop, is an idiom used to describe an extremely quiet or silent environment. Imagine a room so quiet that if a pin were to drop, you could actually hear the sound of it hitting the floor. This idiom is often used to emphasize the absence of noise or conversation in a particular setting. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help in remembering them. The phrase, hear a pin drop, has been in use for centuries. It likely originated from the literal experience of being in a very quiet room where minor, usually inaudible, sounds become noticeable. This idiom captures that experience in a figurative way. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. During the exam, it was so quiet in the classroom, you could hear a pin drop. 2. There was a moment of complete silence when the CEO stopped speaking. You could hear a pin drop in the meeting room. In these examples, the phrase is used to convey the extent of the silence in a particular situation. There are other idioms that convey similar meanings, such as dead silence, not a sound to be heard. While these phrases are similar, hear a pin drop uniquely emphasizes the ability to hear extremely faint sounds due to the lack of other noises. We hope this video helped you understand the meaning and use of the idiom, hear a pin drop. Remember, idioms are a fun and colorful way to express ideas in English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use them in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!